What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's me, Mikey Pipes. That didn't work out too well. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Sunday morning, March 9th, 2025. A little after 8 o'clock here in the morning in the great state of New York. Make myself some breakfast. You know, I'm not wearing a uniform. I got my Bombas socks, sweatpants, a little pullover, quarter zip, making breakfast. And of course, an emergency service call comes in. Got an NTI gas-fired boiler. No bueno. Let's go. All right, got this NTI Trinity Ti200. We have significant water damage to the left rear quadrant of the top of the heat exchanger, not originating from our automatic air valve, but originating from above. Significant corrosion on our low voltage terminals for TT. Luckily, the line voltage compartment is good, but transformer, ignition control module, and most especially that sensor, toast. All right, remove the protective cover covering up the fan wall and the ignition and the control module. We have significant water damage on our terminal block. Let's see if we could do something for him today. Let's trace out right there. So our water sensor is 8 and 7, which is this one right there. Let's see what we can do. All right, we're checking resistance on that water temperature sensor. I cut the wire and I'm reading 21.6 ohms. So this is in K ohms, right? Resistance 21 right there. It thinks it's not, it thinks it's that temperature, but it's not. So we have a bad thermistor because it's not 200 something degrees. It's more like 80. All right, let's review. Spoke to tech support at NTI. I actually have a contact number, so he's like the sales rep for the area. But based on the overall condition of the water damage from above and evident from the terminal block, terminal strip on the outside top right front, no bueno. Transformer, terminating block, fan wall ignition control, the Sentry controller, the pressure switch, manifold limit, high temperature limit, automatic air valve, which probably was like that from the beginning, but whatever. And the damage, residue on everything here. And the fact that she was initially installed in 2008, no bueno. Oh, my head is pounding. And I didn't even drink last night. But I do need some goose. Speaking of goose, let me show you something. I think you guys are gonna love this. I had commissioned this piece of art. Check this out. Not too shabby, huh? So the artist, this guy right there, lives not too far away. He took 2 Magnum bottles of Grey Goose and he made this 3D piece of art with smashed up pieces of the glass. It's pretty cool. It is really, really, really cool. Not too shabby, huh? And I emptied out 2 Magnum bottles, and we put them in here. This is like even more of a limited edition Grey Goose bottle. Wow, just thinking about Grey Goose made my headache go away. Anyway, nonetheless, I spoke to the service rep over at NTI while I was on site. I was actually texting him, sent him pictures of all the water damage to this machine. I was able to use a US boiler Burnham Alpine high temperature limit sensor, which has the same ohm rating for the temperature thermistor. And when I put that in there, I was getting an error of 3, ERR3, which is a thermistor error. And we concluded that there's something wrong with the control board. And we took a closer look at that sensory board inside the NTI. You see the water droplet to the bottom of that. No bueno. Gave the homeowner the options. Listen, we can order parts. Blyberg Plumbing Supply has everything we need. They're in Oceanside. We can get it done tomorrow. But with the water damage from above, your neighbor's floor drain, and the unit up there, and the problem that he had with his tankless combi that flooded out his apartment, and the one below him, it's best to replace the whole unit. And that was what NTI suggested that we recommend, and that is our recommendation. Replace the whole entire unit. The apartment owner is going to the building, and we'll have an answer tomorrow. So stick around, because we're going to finish up this repair or replacement on a subsequent video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you check out the Mikey Pipes HVAC training YouTube channel. I just started this channel. It's going to take all of the work that we do at our Mikey Pipes training facility that has a live fire boilers there, and we're going to put it all on YouTube. Check it out. Link in the description box up right up there or over there. You know what I'm talking about. Show me some love. Smash that thumbs up button. Hit that notification bell to get post notification when I drop a video. Love you guys. No homo.